with my little eyes an iguana. Can you see him in the frame here? I'll give you a couple seconds. Right there. With that, everyone, I wanted to welcome you to the October update here at Aruna Resort and Villas on the beautiful island of Ambergris Caye. We're currently in Costa del Sol, which is a quick 5-minute boat ride from the heart of the downtown area and a 15-minute golf cart ride to the heart of the secret beach bars and restaurants and all of the fun activities happening up there. It's been some time since I did an update here at Aruna, and I am so excited to share with you everything that has been happening over the last couple of months. During this time, the construction team has been finishing off the units here in phase 1 and phase 2, and we actually had an owner already move into phase 2, and the next owner is moving into their cottage model November 1st. We are so excited to be welcoming community members here to Aruna. But as I mentioned, the big focus has been getting these 2 phases 100% complete so that we can mobilize all of the team to phase 3. Phase 3, they had to do some updating with the CBA permits. The foundations are all in place, and we're expecting them to go vertical here in the next few weeks. Let's go take a walk around and see what is new at Aruna Resort and Villas.
Hey Rachel, almost ready.
With the height of high season just around the corner, the construction team has been working diligently to get these last 11 units within phase 1 and phase 2 completely done, and we are so excited to see the end result. We are so close, as you heard Eduardo say. If you're interested in learning more about ownership here at Aruna, make sure you reach out to us. You can email us info@lunarealtybelize.com or scan the QR code above, and we'll get you all of the details. At this time, phase 3 is mostly sold out. There's one more cottage model that's available, and we've already started with phase 4. So you can be sure we're going to be keeping you updated as phase 3 homes get constructed. We love seeing progress. We love seeing these new homes come up from the ground up. And in the meantime, folks, we look forward to welcoming you to Aruna and telling you more about this beautiful property. Bye, everyone.